Hello guys, so back to more videos today. We're going to play Escape Running Head again. So this is the new video. So anyways guys, if I'm sure videos for channel, like, subscribe. So anyways guys, we're gonna play Escape Running Head. So that is the fully pay. Fully pay the guy looks like this and this, okay? Let me know in the comments guys. Okay. So I'm gonna beat this game for a while. So anyways guys, we're going to speedrun this game. No. We're gonna speed run, guys. So, anyways, guys. No, 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 please. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna beat that game, So, nonsense. Okay, so, anyways, guys, we're gonna beat that game. So, why there's so many facilities in there? So, anyways, guys, we're going to run, very fast. So, otherwise, I'm gonna speed run this. Okay. That's good, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're back, guys. I'm gonna speak, guys. Come on. I need to upload a new video, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna upload a new video, guys. So, anyways, guys, come on, very, very fast around this. Why there are so many heads in there? So, I'm rich in stage 2, I guess. I'm rich in escape running head, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna play, guys. So, anyways, why there's bacon there, guys? Hey, I need to say, guys, now. So, anyways, woo! Fully pay, fully pay, fully pay, fully pay, fully pay. No, fully pay, fully pay, fully pay, please. Okay, so anyways, guys, where's the entrance? Oh no, there's the entrance in there. So that is okay. So that is okay. Okay. So why there's no fully pay there? Only in a big new update. The big new update in this game called Escape Running Head. So that is the longest video. Yes, I'm gonna leave. I love you. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna wait for Dowie. So, he's a good one. Where's Dowie? So, I'm going. Oh, wait, I found you. Yes, guys. So, anyways, guys, we're going to just beat the game. So, where are you? Okay, so, anyways, guys, me and my brother are going to play Escape Running Head, guys. So, we're gonna make a new video, guys. Okay, so, anyways, guys, we're going to leave Airbnb. Okay. Okay. So anyways guys, so we're going to no, I'm going to lose Dewey. Dewey the Doman. Dewey. I'm gonna beat that game. Right? Look at me. Look at me, I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Oh my god, Felipe just died. Yes, I know. Right, yes, I know. Oh wait. Okay, I know. Dowie, goodbye. Time to say goodbye. Bye, Dowie. Bye, Dowie. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Okay, guys, so me and my brother are playing Escape Running Head. So that is the good idea. So there's Dowie. So ano, there's a 3 head. Oh, no. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna be Felipe. You will join us, Dowie. You be Dowie. Dowie. Dowie the Doman. Hey, Dowie. Dowie the Doman. Dowie the Doman. Come on. That is easy, guys. So, guys, we're gonna run. So, I'm not gonna die. So, guys, that's the easiest game. Come on. I need to. Oh, wait. Go. Ah. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Luca, can you record or not? I'm lagging. Stop lagging. What is wrong with you? Bro, why I'm lagging? Fair. I need to beat him. Okay, so let's go. I accidentally died. Oh my god, yes! Oh, what the heck? 3 heads? Why they bring up 3 heads, I guess. Let me run again, guys. Okay, yes, I know. Super. Egg. Egg. Yes. Eggnog. Eggnog, yes. Yes, I know. Let's hide from Boots. You let's hide to my brother.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Where are you?
Are you in stage 4?
Yes. You monster. Oh no.
If I die again.
You monster. I just no. Come on, Felipe. Die from. Oh, what the heck? Oh wait. Yes. Come on, Dory the Doman. It's city. It's funny. It's city. It's funny. What the heck? There just respawned up. What the heck, Sigma? Come on, what the Sigma? Wait for me. I said wait for me. Oi, wait for me or else. Can you please stop? Or else I will leave. Stop na, please.
Hi guys, today we're going to play
Escape running head, guys.
Running In.
Oh yes, me and my brother are going to record.
And subscribe.
Like, subscribe to my brother's channel, okay?
Like and
I think
subscribe
he's
to my
good,
channel.
right guys? So please subscribe to my brother's channel, okay?
Channel, bro.
Yes,
Bro.
yes I know.
Get coffee.
I'm gonna get popular. I have popular in Algerian race, okay? Let me know in the comments, okay?
Where are you?
I'm going to wait for you. Hello? Not this. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Why they keep on lagging? For me! Help me! I'm lagging! Ah! Ah! Stop! Stop making me lagging. Who? Wait for me! Oh wait. Heck no, it's so hard. Eggnog. Eggnog. Oh, I don't wanna. No. They also push my face. They always shock my face. Goodbye. Ah! Gabriel. Oh, there. Oh, there is. Ah, no. Goodbye. Goodbye, brother. You can't. Yes, I'm Suki. Yes, guys. Why there's lava? Ayun. You see lava? Come on. Do it, the man. Come on. He will make it, guys. He will just get a drop. Come on. Go by the way. By the way. No, man. Yes, stage 5. I think stage 5. It's not stage 6, I guess. Let me know in the comments, guys. He's so dumb. Do it, the man. Oh, it's Bibi's house. It's not about
Mama, Jenny.
baby. Baby, Regina.
Jenna.
Jenna the killer. A killer.
Jenna the hacker.
Jenna the killer. It's a killer. What the?
Jenna Bobby.
Yes. I don't know. I don't know what to cover it.
The acting of the rumors.
Yes, guys. Okay,
Hey,
so.
Palika.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing, girl?
Wait.
Wait, I'm gonna. Okay. Wait, I have an idea. I need to hide somewhere quickly. So they cannot find me.
Yes,
Oh, wait. Yes. Bro, I'm lagging. Stop. Stop lagging. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm yelling. I need to run with Boom too. I'm lagging. Bro, why I'm lagging? Stop lagging. Okay, so what else, guys? Bro, why I'm lagging? I'm not lagging. No. Okay. Okay. Why there's so many Felipe? Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Okay. I'm gonna wait for you. Come on, I'm gonna wait for you. Ah! Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Oh my god. Yes, you guys. Why there's so many orange there? What the heck? Oh, yes. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Let's go there. Oh, my God. Yes, I'm almost fell. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. I made it. Hey, what's up? Oh, look at me. What's up? Hey, where are you? Monster. Don't me. Ah! Stop. Don't me. Oh, wait. Wait a sec. Bro, I'm lag. They keep on giving me lag. For me. Because I'm lagging. Wait for me. Hey. Wait for me, Dawi. Wait for me. Only got 480. Okay. Open. Open for that. There's an arrow pointing at the there's an arrow pointing at the wait. Let me know. Ah! Come on. Come on, you should do this. Come on, we should do this, guys. Let me know in the comments, guys. Potato. Oh! Ah! Why does my character dying? Bro, it's so hard. This is the hard mode. Come on. Why does my character? Ah! Come on, you should able to do this, guys. Guys, you should just able to do this because it's so hard. Because of this character. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go beat this game. Let's go beat the game. Okay, let's wait for him, okay? I'm gonna dance. Where's your gonna dance? Hey! Oh, yes! No, but I'm dancing like a turtle, right? Mm. Ah! Oh my god, I just died. Or something else. Ooh. Let's go beat that game. Don't join me. David, wait. Don't you dare ever touch me. I wanna be part of this. I need to dance. Yes. I don't wanna buy, so that's okay. Ow! Why did I just do? The guy looks like a my cousin. Come on. How? Come on.
What dance is that?
I'm a booty. I don't know. Oh! You know what? I should just do like this. Wait for me. With your armpit. With your armpit. Wait for me. Wait for me, my bro. My bro. I'm sure just dancing like this, like a psychopath. Please. Ooh. No. I don't wanna die. Please, let me have mercy. Have mercy. Oh. Have mercy. There's no two heads, guys. There's no head. Ooh. Yes. Let's go. Yes. That's easy. This one hard. Ah. The most. Ah. The most. Ah. How? Wait for me. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Come on, we should just jump. Oh, I should jump like this. Okay. We should gonna dance. Wasimo ma. Gonna be. Yeah. Oh. Okay, let's go. Where's my game? Oh, it's so hard. No. Come on. Oh my god. Go. Ah. It's so hard. Wait, I'm at stage 7, please. Wait for me. No, I'm gonna skip. Oh! Ah! What is... Do not die! Please! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait! I said wait! Jump! Wait for me. Come on. Oh my god, I just yell. There's no. Ah! Wait. Wait, I should just do like this.
What's his name?
I don't really know. I don't know. Newing. No. Do not.
My dance.
Ooh, yes. My Minecraft dance. Come on. I'm believing you. Come on, my butthole. Come on. Wait. How should I do this? This? Ah, this. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm right there.
Wait.
Where are you? I'm right here, right? Okay. Ouch! What are this?
Where are you?
I'm dancing. I'm holding my skateboard now. Wait for me. Wait, so gonna just beat that game. We're gonna beat this game because it's so hard. Intense pain and swelling. No.
Big Mama.
Hey, Big Mama.
Go.
Okay. Yes.
Big Mama.
Big Mama. Oh. Look at me. Ow! Ow! Look at me. I'm upping you. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Please. I don't wanna die. Oh, oh. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Oh. I don't wanna die. Please. Push. Let's gonna skip word like this. Let's go again. Oh wait, I wanna be. Wait for me. Yes, I wait. I'm dancing like an air. Wait for me. The lava. Wait for me. Wait. I said wait or else I'm gonna leave. Stop. I wanted to leave. Oh my god. The red lava. Felipe. The Felipe turned into red. It's because I think Felipe just angry. You're angry. Oh. Felipe. This why there's so many dirt on this game? Oh no! Finally. Yes. Finally. Oh my god. Accidentally fall. Okay. I'm gonna do like this. Wait. How about this? Ah! Stop pushing me. Why there's so many bricks there? Why? I'm skateboarding it. I'm just skateboarding it. Oh my! Oh! I'm skateboarding it. Wee! This is so hard. This is so intense. Therapy. Oh my god. This is hard. Ooh. I'm trying my best. I'm skateboarding like a triangle. I'm skateboarding like a triangle. Look at me, I'm triangle. Come on. I'm a hippies. Very hippies. So can you upload a new video, Dobby? Please?
Okay, yes.
I'm begging you to upload it. Fully pay. Yes. Come on, brother. Brothers and sister. Okay. Ooh! Parkour. No. You can't do that. No, this is so hard. No, 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 no. Do not push me. Haha. You know what? How about that? Why not just slide? Oh, among us. Okay, let's do it. Because it's so hard. This thing head is so hard. Did I just touch? No, don't you dare ever touch me. Don't you ever touch me because you're disgusting. Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me, wait for me. How about like this, okay? Wait for me, wait for me. Yes, yes. Oh, I should do like this. They even touch the Felipe. Come on, Joey! Oh my god, you just learned Ito Ed. Choose this! Hurry up! Come on. You should able to do this. Come on. I wanna wait for you. I'm going to beat that level! Because it's so hard. This thing is so easy. What the heck? It's a newbie? I am a newbie. I am a newbie. I am a newbie. Ow! Ouch! I am a newbie. Hey, I'm a newbie. Can you come and fight or not? Hey you, a newbie. Ah! Hey. Cha! Cha! Oh my god, I accidentally jumped and also I think that noob is just fall. They just fall. Can I kiss you? Come on. Monster! 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 Come on. Felipe, I need to jump on you. Ouch! Wait for me, wait for me. Hey, come on. Oh, you just jump in the head of the noobs. Okay, no. You're a noob. Wait for me. Oh wait, Felipe just fall and Games of the Void. Games of the Void, I guess. Let me know in the comments, okay? Wow, what the heck is going on? I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. This is the funniest thing ever. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. Ah, no, 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 no. No, it's so hard. Oh my god, this is so hard. No. No. It's so stinky. Stinky. So stinky because you're so weird. Ah, really so your armpit is so right here. Yeah. 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 Oh. No. Please stop. Don't. I'm recording. I'm playing you. I'm playing with you. I'm playing. The guy looks like you. The guy looks like you. Teacher, mother. Huh? What are you doing? Oh my god, I'm laughing. Stop it. It's so easy. I'm a pancake. Ah, I'm a pancake. Come on, it's so easy, right? Come on. You can't give up. You can't give up. Okay. Come on, why always dying? Oh my god, it's like this. Come on. It's so easy, right? Come on. Ow! What is it? Ah! Your deal. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. No! 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 Ah! Oh my god. I'm a pancake. I'm a pancake. I'm going to. But so easy. Come on. You cannot give up. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Bro, when... Come on. You can do it, right? How many coins do you have? Do you have? You have 200 or 100? Honey. Come on. You can't give up, okay? I accident broke on you. Ah! Come on. Come on. This is good. I'm a pancake. I'm gonna go for it. Ouch! 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 I can't go to the head. Oh, looks like you. Yes, I do. Hey! You're flying like a taco. Stop flying like a psychopath, please. Bro, why are you flying? Come on, you can't give up. Okay, you know what to do. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, that's good. Why there's no internet? You can't do it. You can't do it. Huh? Come on, why always do that? Oh wait, W actually did it. Yes, you did it. You did it. You did it. Did it. Yes, yes, he did it, guys. He did it. Stage 11. It's so hard. There, it's so hard. This is hard. It's hard mode. Oh my god. How? I should just able to do this, guys. I know I'm going to able to do this. Come on. The way you gonna join me. Oh, it's your tea Sandy. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Do not. Oh, come on. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. I'm gonna able to do this. Ding, 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 ding. I'm right here. So this is the hard mode. Why? It's so hard. Oh, it's so easy. This so hard. This so hard. See, this so hard. Oh, oh. Stop chasing me. Kitty, isn't this? Come on. You should not give up. Come on. We're gonna able to do this, guys. We're gonna able to do this. This is this game. Oh! Do not touch the head, or else you die. Why? Yes. Wait for me. This is now a bit easy, guys. This now a bit easy. This easy. Why? But this one is hard. So not to die. Ouch! They also eat my brains. Okay, let's go. Yes, I did. Come on, we're gonna able to do this, guys. We're gonna able to do this. Oh, don't shoot it. How could I beat this game? Because it's so hard. Intense hard. It's so hard. It's the hardest game. Oh, no! Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. No, no, do not go to the play pay. Oh my god. Oh wait, this one is hard. Oh wait, it's easy or not? Okay, yes I know. Oh my god, this is so hard. Wait, let me wait until this easy. Oh, oh. No, bro, this is so hard. Bro, what the heck happened? Let's do like this and double jump. Oh, ow! Why did I just? Come on, we're now able to do this. No. How is it hard mode? No. No. We're gonna able to do this and also the double jump. Like this. Ha! Wait, again. Like, do like this and also jump. Yes! Like this. Double jump. Okay, so anyways guys, we're going to jump right there. So that is it. Oh, jump. Yes! You can do it! I'm doing it! I should just do that. And I just jump higher. Oh my god, this one. Where are you? Bro, I need to wait. Come on, Dowie. I'm believing you. You should just do like this and also jump. Like this, okay? Jump. Like this, okay? I can't. Okay. Okay, guys. So I just doing it on purpose. I just help with my brother because he's so nice, but a bit nice I think is, but it's so easy. Yes, I know it's easy. Haven't even touched that. This is so easy. This is not a bit easy. You can do it. Do not. Up. Be Bro, you need to be careful, okay? Come on. You can do it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm doing it. I'm doing it on purpose. I should just double jump. Well, jump higher. Yes, come on. You can do it. Come on. It's easy, right? Come on, yes. Thank you. This is so easy. No, this so. Wait, is it? Wait, be careful. What? Please just jump higher, okay? Let's jump higher or not. Let's see. Come on. What the heck? What the heck happened? I don't wanna jump. Be careful. Oh my god. Okay, so anyways guys. I made it guys. Oh my god, this is so hard. No! Yes! Oh my god. This hard. This is a Felipe! Oh my god, this one. No, where's the Felipe? I can't see the Felipe. Oh my god. Yes. Hey yo, it's easy, come on. Can I... Okay, I'm gonna wait for him. I'm gonna... Just do that, I guess, guys. Hello, guys. Do that, okay? Do that. Oh, you made it. Sorry. Okay, that's okay. You just made it, okay? You just made it on purpose. So I just helped him. So he's so nice, but a bit nice. So anyways, guys. Oh, be careful. Be careful, okay? Oh my god. And do like this. Jump. Easy. Oh my god. Wait, let me just press a bit. Thank you. Do not. Oh. Hey, stop kissing me! Stop. No! No! How? This giant head is going to kiss me. No! This Felipe! Okay. How? I can't do it. Please, don't. Very good. Thank you. Oh my god. Yes! Easy! Sorry. Wait. Sorry. Yes, 13. It's easy, right, guys? What the Sigma? Wait for me. Easy. It's so hot. It's so easy, guys. Okay. So need to. Why? I thought it was easy. Go. Why? I need to write on something. Bro. Oh no. Do not. No, it's hard. How? How should I able to do this? How should I beat that game? Stage 13. Bro, wow!
How is this going to be?
How? Too hard! I hate this.
Oh!
How? Wait for me.
That would be straight.
How? Can you donate, please?
I got.
Wait, I should just do like this. Okay, there we go. No, I should just jump. How? It's so hard. How is it?
Look!
I know. I can't even do it because it's so hard. I don't like this game. I don't like this. Bro. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. So anyways guys, this is the hardest game. So I'm not gonna play now. So I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna beat the boss fight. I don't like this. But I can't do it. I can't beat this game because it's so hard.
Let's go to the boss.
Yes. That's really fun. I just enjoying that. I don't wanna play that. I don't want to just buy that in escape. So this is the hardest game. That stage 13 and stage 12 is the medium. So that is okay. This is the boss fight, guys. This is the final boss fight. The final boss fight, I think, is new update. Oh wait, it's a robot. It's a robot character. Hey you, stop doing that, huh? Hey, stop doing that. Stop push. No. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna shoot you. There. There, it's just. Oh no. Come on, I need to shoot her. Or I'll shoot it. I'll shoot the people, huh? Come on, I need to shoot people. I need to shoot people. Oh, what the heck? I need to die. I died, right? Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go. Which one? Oh my god, that's stage 1. How many stage? How many stage? 12, I guess. This is the hardest game. Okay. Or I'm going to play now. This. I'm gonna play this stage. Guys, I'm gonna play this stage now. In the Rainbow Factory. I'm going to leave. I'm gonna see the updates.
Run!
What updates in there? Oh wait! Is that December or not? Update or 2021? Oh wait, January 7, 2021. It's from 4 years ago. Oh my god. When I was 9 years old, guys. I was in 2021 because I didn't even upload yet. So in a very long time. So I just beat that game.
Piggy!
I just beat all, guys. Piggy or not? Oh, I just played that in 2024 or 2025 in January. So anyways, guys, the big new update is here, guys. The big new update in this game. Here has a creator. How about Roblox gift? Let's see. How about creator? Let me know in the comments. What's that? 2024 or 2023? Oh wait, it's March or June. August 6, 2021. They just create it. What the heck? Wait, hold on. Oh wait. Oh wait, 2023. Okay. December or November? Oh, October. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This the new update. Who create this? Who can create that, guys? Who should just gonna create that? So I'm gonna join him, okay? So that is good because they create in 2021. So when I was 9 years old, and also that just 11 years old, guys. So one of those guys, they just create on 2021, guys. This sounds like because it kind of looks like a big new updates, okay? So Robux. I don't want to donate it, okay? Invite back. Why?
Guys,
Okay, so I invite back, so I don't care.
I'm
So one of my guys, where's the gonna coins? Where's so many? I don't wanna buy that because it's so expensive. But I wanted to guess. They wanted to just wasted time or wasted money, I guess. Let me know in the comments, guys. I just play that every time, guys. I just record in a whole time because this Felipe just wanted to just eat me or kiss me, I guess. So they wanted to chase me. How psychopathic is. So otherwise, guys, there's eyes in there and there's pink lips and there's the girl, the silly old ass girl. Silly girl. Nothing. Silly girl. The thing is, I don't like the girls. The thing is, but I don't know what to provide it, so I didn't even say the bad word. So I didn't even say the bad word. So I don't care, guys. So what? There's a big nose in there. So there's a big mouth. The guy looks like cousin's mama. The cousin's mama with the guys, but let's see, what's that? There's the lips and also the nose and also the eyes. The eyes looks weird, guys. So it's the hair looks like a orange thing because the guy looks like orange. So here's the silly guy. I don't like guys because he's annoying because I don't like this guy. I don't care. So anyways, guys, let's see the review. So there's the ears and also the nose. Nose of the orange hair because they look like an egg whites there. So let's jump into it. So in this case, we're going to just jump, okay? So there's a Felipe. There's 3 Felipes in there. So in this case, we're gonna collect more and more coins. So in this case, that's good. So they even just attack me and something else. They wanted to chase me and also that attacked me, guys. So in this guys, we're going to beat that game and I'll beat that level, guys. But I just do that. Only got $550 or coins, I guess. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to end up there. So in this case, for some more videos, I channel, so like yourself. So in this case, I see you next time in a bit. So in this case, we gotta make a long video. I just make a long video in there. So this stuff will be in there. So that's okay. So goodbye, guys. Go.